I'm literally a liar. We gotta get our life together. A pimple just emerged. I broke down crying. Look at all these nails. Oh yeah. Let me put you guys on the best mascara. It's like a little bowl. We're gonna do our makeup. Hi bestie. So I know it's been a long time, many months since I posted a YouTube video. It's just been rough. We know how I am. I'll just like post a whole bunch and then all of a sudden I'm like, oh, I'm not gonna post anymore. Because I don't know. I just get really stressed out and then like editing videos just takes a super long time and then I get burnt out. Oh, it's just a lot and work's been crazy. I don't know if you guys follow my Instagram or not, but basically my work has increased our days in the office to 3 days now. So that means less time at home to do videos, editing, content creation, all that stuff because I'll literally leave the house at 7, get home at like 6:30, eat dinner, and then by then it's like 9 o'clock and I have to go to sleep again. So it's summer, or it's almost summer. Wait, when is the first day of summer? Oh, that's crazy because June 21st is the first day of summer, meaning that I completely missed the first day of summer. I'm literally a liar, but anyway, we're gonna glow up for summer because if you haven't noticed already, my hair is disgusting. I'm starting to break out a lot. I don't know why. Ugh, I just feel gross. I haven't showered in like 3 days. I don't even remember. It's literally just caked in dry shampoo at this point. It's super itchy. It's super gross. We gotta fix this. I look like I just went to war in a washing machine. But anyway,
we gotta fix the nails. We gotta do the makeup. Girl's gotta shave her legs, probably her armpits. My lips are super crusty and dry, so we're gonna do a lip mask. I gotta do my eyebrows.
we gotta get our life together because it's summer, okay? It might not be hot girl summer for me right now, but we're gonna try to be hot girls in summer.
Anyway,
let's get on with the video. Bye. Finished the shower. Why is there stuff on my camera? Is that better? Okay, first things first. We gotta do our skincare. Sawasu activating serum. Oh, so I've been in kind of a rut recently and the only thing that gets me through my day is doing my skincare. I kind of force myself, like, no matter how crappy I'm feeling, no matter how down I am, how burnt out I am, how like tired and exhausted I am from the day, I will always do my skincare first thing in the morning and right before I go to sleep. April Skin Essence Toner. It just makes me feel like I have my life together. You know, maybe I didn't accomplish anything today, but I did my skincare. Get what I'm saying? We're really just living one accomplishment at a time, day by day. So, yeah. Innisfree Green Tea Seed Hyaluronic Acid Toner. Oh god. Literally, from this one shower I took, a pimple just emerged. Can y'all see that? Pimples keep showing up and I think it's because of stress. I really need to relax. It's just been a really crazy 2 months and I haven't had time to just sit down and think for myself. Life is just going by really quickly. It stresses me out because life is hard, y'all. Post-grad life is really hard. I don't know what it is, but I feel like when you're in your 20s, it's really hard to balance life. You have work, you have family, you have a relationship, you have friends, and then you have personal goals. There's just a lot going on. It's really hard for like a normal person to just like handle everything. I don't understand how people can do this. I don't know. I don't know if I'm like sensitive or just really lazy. I mean, like I consider myself a very hardworking person and I still really struggle with like balancing everything. It gets really stressful. Last week I broke down crying. I had a nervous breakdown because I just kept everything inside myself for the past year since I've moved back home into my parents' home and like started working. I just kept everything inside and I was like, you know what? Let me just put my head down. Let me go to work. Let me do the adult things. Wake up, go to work, go home, work out, eat, sleep, and repeat. It's stressful. It's so hard to do that. And like, how are you gonna fit in any time to do things that you wanna do, your hobbies, and like hang out with your friends, go out? I just don't have time. It's either I do my hobbies or I eat. I'm really trying my best. I don't know. Maybe I'm just a big baby. That was a really intense rant. I'm sorry, y'all. Like, what if you guys don't even resonate with what I'm saying and like, you're like, girly, get your grip. Go to work. Get your life together. But I'm like, I don't even have kids yet. I'm not even married. I like literally, I'm at this point in my life where it's like, if I even wanted to have kids, I don't even know if I could. It's literally impossible. I literally just cope by just not saying anything, shoving it all down, and then one day I'll just have a nervous breakdown. Feel the pain, feel the hurt, and move on. And now we're gonna do a glow up. I finished. Oh wait, I didn't finish. We have to do sunscreen. Yeah, that's really important. I finished my skincare. I'm gonna do lotioning up my entire body. I'm not gonna show you guys that because I'm literally gonna be butt ass naked in this bathroom and I'm definitely not showing you guys. Let me go do that and I'll be right back. Okay, bye. Okay, I finished body lotioning, putting lotion on my body. I decided that I'm gonna do my hair first. I'm just gonna do my normal blowout style of hair. I posted a tutorial on my TikTok, so you guys can go check that out if you want. I'll put it in the description. Let's fix this guy. Literally stunning. Gorgina. Oh, let me do the other side. Besties. The hair is finished. She's luscious. Oh my god. I already feel like a clean girl. Oh, let's go do our makeup. Okay, I was about to do my makeup, but I realized I think it's time for a tea break. Let's go make some tea. I'm not actually making it. I'm just pouring it in a cup with some ice. This is my favorite tea. It's called Ito En. I really like the jasmine green tea. It's unsweetened. Anyway, let me pour a little bit in here and just try to like dissolve the honey. Now it's all dissolved. Let me get some ice. Look, it's like a little ball. It's just perfect. Oh! All right, now it's time to do our makeup. Bye. Oh, we're back here at the makeup table as usual. We've got our green tea. Let's do our makeup because we're actually... Okay, I don't know what happened, but it said that my card was full, but I literally had nothing in there, so I didn't do that. What am I doing? Makeup. Let's get with the program. We're gonna do our makeup. It's summer, so we're gonna be doing a little summer girl makeup. I think I wanna do something very clean, very minimal, because I'm breaking out, and like when I'm breaking out a lot, I don't really want to do so much makeup because I feel like it's gonna clog my pores and make me break out even more. Okay, we're gonna start off with my favorite concealer of all time. It's the Morphe 2 Hide and Peak Concealer. I love this so much. It's perfect for like everyday light coverage concealer when you only want the concealer under your eyes. I literally cannot see the difference between my skin and this concealer. Okay, let me zoom in here. We're gonna go in with the blush. This Rare Beauty Rare Beauty blush. Let's blend her out. I've been really loving a rusty dark red for blush in the summer. Oh my god, I almost forgot. Before we go any further, we need to take care of these crusty dusty lips. I'm gonna do this lip mask that I got from CLE Cosmetics. First of all, we're gonna start off with the lip peel. I just go like this, and I think I leave it on for like 5 minutes. And what I'm guessing is that it's just gonna exfoliate all this like dead skin off of my lips. Okay, while we wait for the lip peel to fully set in, we're gonna do my eyebrows. They're not that bad, but I'm just gonna clean up the edges.
Want to get blue bottle?
I'm still filming.
Dude, are you serious? You haven't had your glow up yet?
I'm doing my makeup right now.
Seriously?
Yeah.
Damn, I really want. It's just like a blue bottle, like type of weather.
Wait, I'm down to go, but I just need to finish the makeup and do my nails.
Sure.
Alrighty.
Okay, bye.
Okay, do we like the brows? I feel like you can't even tell a difference, but I can tell a difference. That's all that matters. What do I do next? I literally don't even know. Found one of my favorite blushes ever. It's a discontinued blush from Sephora and it's literally like 10 years old. I don't know, I got this secondhand. Really gross, but it's literally the best coral pink color like ever. It's called Orange Pop. I like literally can't find anything that looks like this. Do you see that? So pretty. We're gonna add some bronzer to my cheekbones. Base is looking so cute. The lip peel is done, but I don't think it really did anything. My lips are still really crusty, but we're just gonna go with it anyway. And we're gonna use this lip oil that they have in here. Okay. I'm not mad about it. It's all right. It's not the best thing in the world, but we'll deal with it. I look so sun-kissed. I love it. Let's add a little bit more bronzer on the tip of my nose, just because I feel like it needs a little bit extra snatch. We're gonna do my signature eyeliner that I haven't done in a long time. I just feel like I haven't done my eyeliner in a while, and it's just, I'm not me when I don't have my eyeliner on. I did them a little smaller today, and I kind of like it. It gives a little more cutesy doe eye look. Okay, we're almost done. I gotta do my eyelashes. Oh my god, I almost forgot. I gotta add my highlight, of course. Last step is mascara. Let me put you guys on the best mascara in the entire world. Where is it? I need to find it. Where's my mascara? Oh, here you go. If I would recommend any mascara in the entire world, it would be this. Lancome Idole, I think that's how you pronounce it. So good. I would say like one of the top mascaras I've ever had in my entire life. The only thing I hate about it is the applicator. Actually, do I like the applicator? I can't tell. I do like it, but I do not like it at some points. This mascara makes my lashes look so good. Honestly, astonishing. This is just one coat. Are you kidding me? I'm just like in love with this guy. All right, last step, I forgot, is lip balm. I've recently really been loving this lip balm from Innisfree. It has like the perfect tint to it. It's called the Dewy Tint Lip Balm in Love Beige. Gorgeous. Who is she? I'm looking cute. I'm looking cute. This looks really good. Let's fix up the nails. These need some serious work. We're just gonna do press-ons today because those are the easiest and I love press-ons. So let's go pick out a pair of nails.
Look at the cutie. Hi. Oh, Bean. You good, kitty? So cute.
Okay, we're gonna go over here into my closet. This is where I keep all of my nails. It's kind of a lot. Look at all these nails. I don't know what I want to do yet. Let's try to figure out what we want to do. I'm gonna ask you guys on my Instagram story which one I should do because I'm not sure which one. Like this is giving very much summer, but this is giving very much luxe matcha vibes. Anyway, let's see what you guys say. Okay, according to the Instagram story, it looks like the matcha green is like winning by a landslide. So we're gonna do this one. As I've always said before, and I've always preached this literally every single time, I'm a press-on nail girly till I die. Press-on nails are just so good because I can easily remove them. They're so easy to put on and so much more affordable. All right, let's get started. Y'all, I finished my nails, guys. Oh, why is this doing that? Oh, look how cute. Honestly, I really like the green. I'm so glad that you guys chose this for me because like they're gorgeous. Okay, the last part of the glow up is the outfit. So I gotta go figure out what to wear. Let's go pick out an outfit. Okay. Oh, hello. Oh, you good? We gotta figure out what to wear. I really don't know. Hey Google, what's the weather?
It's 73 degrees and sunny. Today, it'll be mostly cloudy.
Ooh, okay. In that case, I still don't know what to wear. Let's go simple today. We're not gonna do anything too fancy. Let's do shorts or skirt. Shorts, maybe like a cute off-the-shoulder top. And then maybe a hat. I do like the off-the-shoulder vibe and the jean shorts, so let's try that. Okay, so this, oh, don't mind this mess. I'm really bad at organizing everything. But anyway, let's try to figure out what I'm wearing. This like long sleeve that I thrifted and this Brandy Melville long sleeve. I feel like this is cute. Let's do the Brandy and then jean shorts. These are the jean shorts that I've thrifted a long time ago. They're from Wrangler. Let me go change. Oh, yup. The minute I put this outfit on, I was like, yes, girly. It looks so good. I'm just a sucker for like super simple outfits. White top, jean shorts. I'm ready to go. Let me get my purse. Of course, we got the Polen bag to finish off the look. Oh my god, I almost forgot my rings. My rings are right here. I actually made this little like cactus ring tray with Kaylee. We went to Color Me Mine and just painted our little guys and it's just adorable. I don't know what I want to choose. Let's do the Silent Opus ring. I recently got a dome ring, but I don't know where I put it. It might be in here. I got this ring from an Instagram jewelry account and I think we're gonna finish off the look with these rings. This is the final look. What do you guys think? Simple and cute. Gorgeous. Anyway, this is gonna mark the end of the glow up video. If you guys made it this far, thank you so much for watching. I really had so much fun making this video. Every single time I do a glow up video, I love it. It just makes me feel so like put together and like getting my life back on track, because like in the beginning of every single glow up video, I'm feeling so crusty, dusty, musty, and I'm like, oh, I don't want to do anything. But now, washed my hair, put on an outfit, did my makeup, my hair, everything. I just feel so, I feel like that girl. You know what I'm saying? Anyway, I'll catch you guys next time. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, follow my Instagram and YouTube. Follow my Instagram and TikTok. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!